The very important part, so we have to come in the kneeling position, right? And make sure the toes should be pointing back and the ankle completely touch. Okay, if there is a gap, so we can use the folded blanket or the mat. Clear? So we are not maintaining any gap between the mat and the ankle. Completely press it. So one of the mistakes happen with this pose, especially with the feet, the heels go in and toes go out. Okay? So in that condition, we are going to use the block in between the both heel, this way, and keep press it that. Okay, so which control the heel. Okay, clear is it? Second thing, do you know the alignment of the foot is your second toes, right? So the second toes to the center of the heel to the center of the knee should be in a one line for understanding the pose, to understanding the foot alignment in this position. Clear? So same thing like a Samastati. Just here is the flex feet. Okay. Now what is her work? While she's going to press the inner foot on the block, put the hand on the waist. So which is, we have to engage the glutes, okay, and the hamstring and the calf, which is very important for the lower back region. Now inhale to roll the shoulder, open the chest, open. Don't come, just roll the shoulder. Yeah, that's it. Look at me. Roll the shoulder and open the chest. That's it. You are not going back, not forward. Okay. The second thing, the knee and the pelvic in a one line. It should not moving forward nor back. Okay. We are keep trying to maintain it as it is, with the align with the knee, the pelvic. Now her work, while she is going back, she is not going back to down. She is trying to lifting the sternum upward direction, pelvic moving forward direction, and the head moving backward direction. That is very important. The sternum part, top of the sternum lifting upward, head moving backward, and the pelvic moving forward. But try to control the pelvic, align with the knee. Clear? So keep lift up, keep lift up, keep lift up, keep lift up, keep lift up. And this is the position. If the pelvic move forward, like this moving right now, we are moving the forward, so there is a less range of motion. If the pelvic align with the knee, so she's more closer to the feet. Okay, then inhale to raise the arms up, rotation to catch it. So external rotation of the hand. Same with the raise the left arm up, rotate it and catch it. That's it. And while we are rotating the externally, it means the eye of the elbow facing away from each other. And now from here, just lift your head up here right now. From here, keep lifting the sternum upward, bring the pelvic away, which completely elongate the spine. Otherwise, all the compression come on the lower back region, which is not comfortable. Okay? If it is comfortable, relax the neck. Completely hang, or there is a compression on the neck, then align with the spine or look forward. Clear? Then we can hold the position according to the body. Look forward, align with the spine, or completely hang it. Clear is it? Then how to come? While she is here, she have to put the hand on the waist, put it on the waist, and engage the glutes. Yeah, both hand, and keep lifting the. Put your hand on the waist, other one also, and then come up. So while she's coming up, she's lifting the sternum upward direction and moving forward. If she's trying to come forward, all the pressure again come on the lower back region. Okay. After doing that, we are going to drop the pelvic down and drop the head down. Center, Balasana. Go. Child pose. This. Palm facing upward, rest the head for a while. Because this is the back bend pose, you can feel the headache on the head. So rest for a while here, then come up.